This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Spacious traditional with 4 bedrooms/2.5 baths. Fresh paint, new carpet, and new roof. Classic floor plan features living room, dining room, large kitchen, and family room. Large kitchen with granite countertops and new stainless steel appliances, primary suite with large walk-in closet and private bath. 2-car attached garage, large backyard. Established neighborhood convenient to all local interstates, bases, and Norfolk Naval Shipyard. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.